Dear fellows, I am Muhammad Adam of class 2 from renowned school, Askaria School and Colleges. Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will learn together English speech on my school. You can add your lines, words as per your requirement. Honorable principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. School is a place where thousands of minds are made and molded. School is a place where we go to gain knowledge and skills that help us to become successful person when we grow up. Dear fellows, I am Muhammad Adam of class 2 from renowned school, Askaria School and Colleges. It is located in Rawalpindi. The school has many classrooms. There are lots of students and teachers. My classmates are very friendly and my teachers are very kind. My school starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. We study different subjects, but my favorite subject is English because I love learning new words. My school environment is very nice and friendly. I get up early in the morning every day and get ready because I love going to school and meeting with my friends and teachers. I love my school. Proud to be an Askarian. Thank you. For more learning videos, visit Adam Online School and never stop learning. Allah Hafiz.